My country people them, I don't salute una. I don't make this video say na for talk one thing where it touch me inside my heart. So I don't make this video for talk about the struggle where it go on for Southern Cameroon for more than 1 year now. You know, I don't observe them this thing. So from the beginning, I check sense. I not talk. I watch them. I not talk. I the thing say what we fit do for solving this problem. So I don't think and and I think say I get some solution where I get for present for una. Maybe we see them, analyze them, and check sense. See what we fit do. I agree say La République don't over oppress us, the Anglophones. La République don't over stress these people. La République don't over scatter our minds there. Over frustration. So it better say make we take our own independence. Make we rule our country the way we want the country to be. Make we rule our country the way we like them, the way we feel say it go better for we and for our children and our great-grandchildren them, like other countries have done. So I don't analyze them the way the struggle be go on. I make some kind of calculation. I say plenty people then don't die for Boya, for Bamenda, for all the villages in there. Plenty people don't lose their markets. Plenty people don't lose their house. Plenty people don't lose their job. Not only we they lose, so me where at the top, so I don't lose my friends then. I lose my friends for Bamenda. I lose my friends for Boya. And it's too much. So what if we do say, make we take this independence and stop the killing of our brothers and sisters, parents. For say, this thing so, La République, the very wicked, and we know it. So if we continue the struggle the way we did do it, they will keep on killing us. At the end, we may win the struggle, but at which price? So I don't take sense. As he say, presidential election na next year, 2018. Why it be say we will not use weapon for our enemy? Go kill the enemy with them. So I be don't take sense. As he say, if we the Ambazonian, we who we claim say we be Anglophone them, if we feel group back, put ourselves behind one leader where we don't choose them, for we represent our interests at the top level as president, just check sense with me. We go get our independence, not only independence for Southern Cameroon, but independence for the whole Cameroon. You see, we dey struggle for one small part, so what it be wrong say we struggle for a bigger part? See ya, just see it with me. Pobia where he dey for presidency, so he get power over all the country. What he say, oh, no man nothing go against him. So it means say if we take presidency, what if we decide, it go be the same thing. So we fit decide for Southern Cameroon and for the French-speaking zone. You know see so. So what it be say we not fit group ourselves them, join hands. You hear me? Join hands and choose one leader where you go represent we for the 2018 election. Campaign for the leader. I be here say when elections them day, the system them, the La République people them, they go buy electors 5,000, bribe them, give them 5,000, make they go vote for them. 5,000 not be matter. all of we so we feel put in our own effort. See, me a day for Yaoundé. I dey cry for say my friends them for Boya, my friends them for Bamenda, they don't die. You don't find me. So I feel sacrifice my 20,000 so buy 4 people. Yes, say make the vote for our leader when we don't choose them. See, they pay people 5,000. We fit pay one person 10,000. Yes, I fit pay 2 people, even 3 people 30,000. Pay them, say make the vote for my leader. Who go win election? If we can count the number of Anglophone them and those who support the Anglophone them, only in Cameroon, we fit pass 2 million. If we count the Anglophone them where they outside the country and those who they support Anglophone them, they're plenty. So we fit be like together like 4 million or minimum 3 million. If one person, each of us, we succeed for convince them 3 people for vote them for us, you check and you see say we be 9 million Anglophones then where we go vote them for our leader. So we not feel lose that kind of election. And we feel do even more. You see now. So what are the proposal and I say we should stop making our people to be killed. We should stop the God standing. We should stop preventing children from going to school. We put ourselves, take one leader, build social project where if it convince people. Because the most important thing for this election where it comes so, now how convincing one candidate go be. Now how I see things say. Because country nowhere, everybody dey see am. Francophone them they see am. Bamenda them they see am. Anglophone them they see am. Whether you be for south or west or north or out of Cameroon, you see say things they know well for country. So if we feel have one good leader, build one good project, we feel convince people them and they go vote for our leader. So we go rule the country. I don't hear them people they say Palaba na say Anglophone of rule this country. Who told you? It depends all on also. See, when election that day for Bamenda, CPGM they win election. For Boya, CPGM they win election. When you go for Senate, you go see Anglophone people in them so. You go for Parliament, you go see them so. You go for any public service in Cameroon, you go see Anglophone people in them so. And where they support na CPGM. You see? So we be the cause for our own problem. We fit sit down, we fit sit down, we put ourselves together, we come together and choose one leader where you feel represent our interests then. And say we build one good project, convince me where I dey Yaoundé so. I get my friends them where they be Francophone. If I get one good project, I'll be sure say with no bribe, I feel convinced 2 for vote them for my candidate. So imagine say we don't get our leader where we present them as our candidate for election. And then one person feel convinced only one friend with no bribe. And then feel convinced 3 other friends then with bribe. That will be 4 people where one Anglophone them feel convinced. We have leaders who are out of country. Those people, they get more money past us where we dey country. Because pay is strong. Everybody know. You see now. So they feel by even 100 people. Check and say one person, they put in 1 million CFA. That one you feel convinced, you feel buy 100 people for voter for our leader. So we see say if we feel come together, put ourselves behind one person where we believe say that person feel save our interest. No matter the party, just take sense say you be Anglophone way, if you represent us well and defend our right and give us the independence we are looking for. Put ourselves, come together, campaign, build one strong social project for Anglophone them and for Francophone them. I be sure say we go win the struggle. Not only the struggle for Southern Cameroon, we go win the struggle and take control of this whole Cameroon. Me, I don't sit down, I check am inside my brain. Now the idea where it don't come, say we fit stop the killing of our own people and win the struggle. Because the struggle be say we get independence. If we have one our brother where he be president, if he decides say Southern Cameroon na independent country, nobody go speak now. See, every day you are going to see United Nations. United Nations go defend. United Nations go fight for you. Who like to you so? Maybe you don't know history for this country. Let me just remind you. In the 1950s, when we were asked to join either Cameroon or Nigeria, I just want you to know, you feel ask historians them, they go explain better to you. In the Anglophone zone them, we had three categories of people. We had secessionists, those who were saying, say, make we take our own independence. We had those who were saying, say, make they join Nigeria. And some other them, where they be say, make they join Cameroon. French, Francophone them. So, we beget them now three categories of Anglophone them. United Nations now, they organize a referendum. In the referendum, they give only two choices then. So they say whether you join Nigeria, whether you join Nigeria, or whether you join French Cameroon. They forgot those who say, make we get our independence. So if you check sense very well, you see say, United Nations be accomplished of the French Cameroon. So if you go to cry to them, what did they fit do? Now they are unplugged forever since. So they no fit change and no nothing. As proof, you have been going now. You go. What will happen? And I don't like also say, maybe they have correct struggle and we dey spoil them with some bad behavior then. See, 1st October, some our people then, they be manifesting for France. One journalist go for shoot them. They carry the journalist, beat them. Even for War Front, they don't do so. No journalist, nobody get right for beat one journalist when he did do his job. Because it's not correct. When you do so, you feel say who go support you? Nobody. So we feel win our struggle ourselves. We no need for count on people where they only deceive them. Just check. Every cause United Nations be intervening. What will happen? Check all countries where United Nations be intervening. What will happen there? Killing they continue. People they keep on dying. Poor they dead until enough end. So maybe we stop that thing say United Nations. We feel win this fight. So we feel go election with one candidate, with one strong project, and we be convincing everybody work out. Just keep 30,000 say you get for convince 3 Francophone them. We go win the struggle. We go get the independence. Not only independence for Southern Cameroon, we go get independence for the whole Cameroon. And that will be the end of the story. No more killing, no more dying, and then free Southern Cameroon. No more Pobia, no more La République. You see? So make una sit, una check sense with the leader and them. Make you see how we fit solve this problem. So, because for me, I don't take sense. I see say this be the correct way. Now nothing will make say me I come suggest them for una. Say me una check for una own sense and see what we fit do am. So I thank una for watching this video. Please try check sense and see what we fit do. Stop the killing and make our struggle be successful. May God bless you. See you next time. Bye bye.